ngendlovu kodwa in the years to come uzozomina la endaweni yaseMkhwanazi around airport Danford area. So wonke lama developments sidinga uku-upgrade infrastructure ukuze mayisefikile operator abahlali babe nawo ugesi, amabhizinisi abe nawo ugesi, and so on and so forth. Kube ne-balance and all that. Infrastructure must be rolled out. We are preparing, we are enabling an environment ukuze these big companies kube yizona izodala amathuba emisebenzi ngoba zikhona. I know that we still have a challenge, Njoman, and I'm not, this is not an IDP, Njoman. But ngoba sekuthi indaba kagesi ngiyazi ukuthi ePangeni there is a big outcry about power outages that affect Grantham Park, Nyala Park, Five Ways, and many other sectors corner. It's because the substation yethu isiphelelwe i-lifespan. Wonke ama-substations anaso isikhathi substation ingaphila at least 30 years or 40 years. Kusuke kufanele nina ngesikhathi niyi-constructor nazi ukuthi i-maintenance program yenu after 30 years or beyond 30 years you have to refurbish and do it. So some years back khona umsebenzi ongenziwanga kahle i-council years back before 2021. So as we've been focusing to Richards Bay this financial year, we're focusing now on Empangeni. We've already procured or paid material for manufacturing. We manufacturing a substation. I tell you don't always find it there. The substation is Empangeni, I find this Richards Bay, I find this Tegwin and so on. So they don't always manufacture equipment. So we are waiting delivery probably before the end of December, and construction or rather refurbishment will therefore happen, and by end of at least March, Empangeni will cease by the power outages affect abahlali business in this area where we are. Ladies and gentlemen, I must also touch on the issues of water. Area